Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create wallet on Starkey Web3. Let's get started. Open your Starkey. Now we're going to create a wallet on the Starkey. If you don't have a Starkey on your phone, either your Android or your iPhone, just go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Starkey. You're gonna get it. Just click on create a new wallet, and I'm going to create a new wallet. What is the account name? So I'm going to account name as Gmail. Sorry guys. And click on next. So let's wait for it. Okay, now so it set a pin to or you have to set a pin. So this one, just make sure to set a pin. Click on confirm pin, and after that you have enable biometric. Then click on enable, and this is it. Click on cancel. Oh, sorry for that guys. Let me do to it again. Okay, now so I'm going to put my code. Put your code. Click on skip, and this is it. So you have to secure your wallet. I'm going to click on skip. You can do that later, and this is it. I've created my wallet. It's very simple. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.